Okay, this is my Sunny bicycle trainer. It has a modified tall post here. I didn't do that. It's got a big swing between the two pedals. But anyway, I had my surgery on the 28th. So it's about 2.5 weeks out. But this is the first time I've been able to do a full swing like this, which is good. That way I can come here about 3 or 4 times a day and keep my flexibility going. But I'm proud I can do this. And as time goes on, I can drop the seat down, which will give me more a higher angle of knee bend. Right now I've got the seat as high as I can climb up here and get on this thing. But this is working good for me.